Rear diff, fluid thing. Honda calls it VTM 418, 17, 16, 53 set hike. And we're gonna get going. Nick, what are you doing there?
I'm jacking it.
All right, he's straight jorking.
Your RB.
All right, so we should go right here on this, right?
Correct.
Okay.
Well, you can actually get under there pretty easy. There's actually a lot of room.
That's why I was asking you why you wanted
I
jack
didn't know how much
stands.
room was in there.
Man
I'm gonna
doesn't
get
know
creepy.
anything.
F me. Go eat my balls.
And I said, why do you want jack stands when the car is 12 inches off the floor in the back?
F me.
All right, check
You
this
want a
out.
nugget or a ball?
Whoa, this is... Oh, there we go. I was like, this is the knockoff Honda Genuine right there. They recommend Honda Genuine, so we got Honda Genuine. What's going on?
You want a nugget or a ball?
A ball.
Okay.
Where'd you throw it from? I was
The table.
I was looking the other way. It almost landed in my hand.
Precision.
I watched one video,
Oh, he's an expert.
which is more than most people.
That's a fact. How do I do this?
The
Well,
camera
it's
angles are gonna suck. Maybe we should.
Hey! What do you mean the camera angles are gonna suck?
It's too tall.
Well, make him shorter and cram him under the... Put him on wheelie.
He gonna bust his head on that thing on that.
Probably, because wheelie don't like to cooperate half the time.
This is the weirdest thing I've ever seen.
Down. Down,
There it
boy.
goes. It's going.
Okay, well, get your bucket positioned. I'll get you...
My entire butt is hanging out.
Is that Allen or Torx?
Oh, there's that. Oh, man.
Does it not fit?
No, it fits.
Right.
I'm just talking about my hand that just got fully greased up on a Thursday afternoon.
Do you need an Allen or a Torx bit? Does it look like a star or a hexagon?
It looks like a square, bruh.
What?
That is the most squaring of square I've ever seen.
Does it use square drive?
I think so. Is this not it?
Oh, I'll be danged. It uses square drive.
Yeah, I'm gonna get up and grab a couple rags because it is greasy back
Okay,
here.
there's some rags behind you on the wall.
Okay,
The cable over
sir.
here. What? That's just all arm right now on the camera.
What is this that you just handed me?
What is the camera doing? That is an extension. That's what you need for a square drive.
Oh!
You gotta make sure it's in there. You're gonna round it out.
Okay. I'll shut up now. I did just. Why'd you give me the longest one possible?
Would you just maybe move the bucket first until you get that? You just wipe the entire bottom of the ratchet in the oil.
Oh, I did. We're good. Okay. So are all square drives the same?
Give it a smack. There you go.
Are all square drives the same
Yes.
size?
They just get bigger, but
I'm gonna punch the ground.
I love that.
Shoot. All right, what would Nick do? What would Nick do? He'd get a big old Long Johnson and put it on here and push down. All right, I need a Long Johnson. Stab.
Let me get you how long of a Johnson?
At least 8 inches.
That's a big Johnson.
Long Johnson. Come on. Come on. Come on. I don't want to pull down because that's not going to help me. Ah! I'm smarter than the average wolf.
I didn't know if that was screams of accomplishment or you just busted your thing on it.
I did it! No! Why is it lemonade colored? Oh, with a magnet!
Lemonade.
Look at it. Why is it a hot pink?
Because this stuff's like transmission fluid. It's not actual gear oil.
It smells weird.
Oh, you have
Ew, ew, ew.
pulsating. You're getting slappy with it.
This is gonna suck. There we go. Oh! Call an ambulance! Call an ambulance! Nick, pull me away! Pull me to the hospital! Quit laughing at it.
Ooh.
Holy cannoli, did you see that catch?
No. It'll be on camera though. Again, if it don't come off on your pants, it ain't gonna come off on your cheese ball.
Oh, my neck is gonna be sore tomorrow.
Okay, we need to clean the pump.
Why do we have to pump it in? Can you explain to the people? It makes sense to me because I saw a video, but...
Yeah, we gotta pump it in because we can't get that jug up in there to be
Yeah.
able to dump it in with a funnel. I would rather pump the tiny amount of transmission fluid that's in this line into there than try to wash it out with water and then pump water in there.
If you would snap that thing like Indiana Jones, we'd have a really cool thumbnail.
Was that cool?
Is that cool, Mom?
As it tried to swing back and end me. Oh, she creamed.
Did you see the new Indiana Jones?
No,
Why not?
cause just let the horse die.
Oh, wow. Okay.
It's like
I
every
watched
other
it on the
effing
plane.
movie. Just quit making live actions. Just leave it at one and let it die.
But Indiana Jones was always live action.
Oh, I know. But still,
Better than Aladdin.
there's only so many
being live
Nazis he
action.
can chase down.
Are there though? They're still around. They're running the Tesla joint.
This is not a sticker.
It's not?
No, it's
They
like
printed
printed
it?
onto
Oh, so
it.
that's how you know it's legit.
You know it costs too damn much.
Yeah, well, that too. Made in the USA, baby.
What? From domestic and imported components. So,
Okay, so it's not made
so
in
it's
the
not.
USA.
So it's not. So the sticker was, is what that's saying. Okay, so what we got? Do you remember how much it wanted?
Nope, I don't know that.
Okay. Well, I can tell you, it ain't gonna be a whole effing gallon. So
Oh, no, I do know. I think he said it takes 3 quarts.
3 quarts?
I don't know.
They should be 4.
I clicked a video and I said, how do you do this? Oh, okay, there's 2 bolts, easy. Turned off the video.
Yes, this is 4 quarts. So
Maybe there's no way it's 3.
well, there's a I'll tell you how to tell when it's full.
Because it'll pour out the bottom, duh.
That's how you know you're effing up. If it pours out the top, then it's full. Is how that works. It'll drip all day if you leave it. If you leave it.
If you love it.
If you love it.
I do love it.
There's a bird. Oh, did I tell you the birds got lit up on the pole?
No.
So I was here when when we got the snow and the rainstorms that came
Oh
through.
my gosh. Yep.
So I was sitting here cleaning parts for that blazer, and some lightning struck over here, and this freaking like electrical surge went down the power line and just lit the birds up that were sitting on it.
Rest in pepperoni. Now, if I were Nick, I'd use the short Johnson here.
I always use my short Johnson.
Because of the fact
I don't have a choice.
that he doesn't have a choice. So, all right,
Your
now
balls.
we got to tighten it down. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna put it in there. I'm gonna creep up. Oh man. And there you go. I don't know the torque spec on this one either, but good luck getting a torque wrench in here, I say. I know it'll be possible if I could get long tongue in here.
Yes, the torque wrench is similar size to Long Tongue Johnson there. What? Amazon? No, I didn't want to look at that.
Okay, that is wrench tight. That's probably good enough for now. Right?
Yeah.
I can't imagine we need to be more than that. Use Honda genuine VTM floor fluid only. Performance will be diminished if others are used. Name Drake is Honda genuine fluid. La de otras libres fracones de numerales de monnaie pour les performance. It's written in French beneath it. You won't believe that.
There you go.
We do this on people's chests in the hospital.
Correct. I don't.
Did you actually know that?
No.
Oh, okay. There's a setup that has it's like a Y of tubing, and part of the Y is a filter with a one-way valve. So you pull suction, and it pulls the fluid out of the chest into the bag, and then you can push the fluid from the syringe into the bag. It's really cool.
I'm going to give you this end. You stick that in the hole. And I'm going to pump it because you're not going to be able to hold that and pump it at the same time.
Okay, so here's the problem.
What's the problem?
You come here often? Well, I'm gonna get ergonomic and just lay down.
Okay, you just gotta be ready because it's gonna puke out of there when it's full.
Stop! Something happened. Love that rear diff. This is so easy.
Anyone can do it. So quit calling me.
Wow. All right. You want business or no? You want a job or not? Bud?
Yeah, fair enough.
I just need a pump. Is a pump like $20 or less?
It's less.
Nice. You can get an Amazon pump and it'd be perfectly fine.
Yeah, you get an electric one and fill it in 5 seconds. No, I use 3 quarts.
Really?
There's exactly 1 quart left in
perfect.
the jug.
Well, then okay. All right.
That was a good beeping torque wrench.
What? Are you turning on your torque wrench?
Yeah, you just slammed him against the ground.
That's what you said not to do.
Yeah, exactly. Does it anyway.
I didn't hit it that hard. Come on.
That's alright, my dad Long Johnsoned it off this table.
Was that good?
Yep.
Okay. You're long tone.
Thank you.
We're done here.
That's it.
Except we're not done here because we have 4 more videos to film. Stay tuned. Bye-bye.
Blow my back out.
This has been Nix and Mix. If you enjoyed, please press that subscribe button.